In today's video, I'm going to teach you remove zeros after the decimal point in Google Sheets. If your sheet is filled with values like 1010 or 245 and those trailing zeros can make everything feel cluttered. The good news is, you can clean them up in seconds without changing the actual numbers behind the scenes. What we'll do only affects how the values are displayed, not the underlying data or your formulas. The fastest method lives right in the toolbar. First, select the cells or the entire column that contains your numbers. Look for the decrease decimal button in the formatting toolbar. Click it once to reduce the visible decimal places, and keep clicking until the extra zeros disappear. This is great when you want a consistent, uniform look across your selection. Your values are still the same under the hood, but what you see will be cleaner. If you ever go too far, you can use the increase decimal button to bring decimal places back for display. If you prefer Google Sheets to make the call automatically, highlight your data, go to the Format menu, choose Number, and select Automatic. This option is smart enough to show decimals only when they matter. For example, a value like 10.5 will show as 10.5, while a whole number like 10 won't display any decimal at all. It's a quick, set and forget choice that works well when your data mixes whole numbers and decimal values. For complete control over the way numbers appear, use a custom number format. With your cells selected, open Format, choose Number, then Custom Number Format. In the field, type the hashtag symbol and apply it. This format displays just the number without a decimal point or trailing zeros, giving you the cleanest possible look for whole numbers. Keep in mind, this approach focuses on showing whole number results. If you want non-zero decimals to remain visible in some cases, consider using the automatic option instead. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Apply formatting to entire columns if you expect to add more data later, so everything stays consistent as you work. Remember, you can always switch formats or adjust decimal places at any time, and none of these changes will alter your raw values or break your formulas. That's it. 3 simple ways to remove those unnecessary zeros and keep your sheet looking sharp.